If you've ever wanted to build your own website but don't know how to code, I've got a secret tool for you today. In this video, I'll show you how to create a fully functional HTML and CSS website using Blackbox AI. No coding required. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on powerful AI tools like this. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and go to blackbox.ai. If you don't have an account, just sign up or log in. It's quick and free. Use the AI to generate a website. Once you're inside, go to the search bar at the top. Now here's the magic part. Type in something like, create a complete HTML and CSS code for a portfolio website. Then click Generate. And boom! In just a few seconds, Blackbox AI will give you fully written HTML and CSS code for your site. Click the Copy Code button, open VS Code, or any editor you use, and paste body in the code. Click Preview to view your website live. If you like it, you can publish it using GitHub Pages, Netlify, or Vercel. And that's it. You just built a professional website without writing any code. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like-see button. Let me know in the comments what kind of site you'll be building. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI-powered tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hi.